My name's John Birch, and today I'm gonna teach a kid to fly a drone. Sarcastic.
Facetious.
Sarcastic.
He's being facetious.
Sarcastic. Controller.
Why?
Drink. Down. All right, so now, here's what we gotta do. So you're going to be the best pilot in the world, right? All right, so to take it off, what do you do? Okay, now what? And now you're flying it, right? All right, so now fly forward. Fly it up high. Go higher. Keep going, keep going, keep going. There you go. Now fly to the left. Keep going. Fly left. Now fly backwards. Now fly up. Now fly to the right. Now bring it down. All right, now I want you to bring it back to us and land it. You gotta bring it back to us though. That's not to us. Come on. There you go. Keep coming. Oh, go the opposite way. There you go. Now land it. Now hold it down. Look at you, 5-year-old flying a drone. Okay, it's 6 in a week, whatever. All right, do it again. Take it off. You know what to do. Why? Oh, I gotta drive. Well, then you gotta film. You're filming.
Okay. I don't think I can do this.
Hold it with both hands. Don't move this. Don't touch that.
Okay.
All right, there you go. Now you're good.
I don't think I'll do a good video.
You did a great video, though.
Yeah, but remember, I got it out of whack and it kept going.
I know, so move more careful. So we're gonna set the drone up now.
Okay.
And Grayson is gonna chase the drone while he films the drone. And I'm sure that this is gonna go one way or the other. All right, buddy. That's all you. Go get it. Good job.